Yeah. Yeah. Ah. You know what it is, you know what it is. It's Suzie Santana, Suzie from the Southside. You can't be my hoe, ain't got no time for you right now. I got way too many niggas on my line right now.
Okay.
People search for me when they find out I'm in they town.
They look.
I step out so clean, they call me Mrs. Wipe Me Down.
Me down.
Plain white tee, gotta stay low key.
Okay.
Still can't take your nigga with this dope boy drip on me.
On me.
Prettiest bitch in my city, I think you degree.
Yeah.
Knock a nigga off his feet, I make him take a knee. I be chillin' in the trap, you know we gettin' zooted. At every show, we on stage going dumb stupid. Me and my niggas poppin' jiggers, bout to get booted. I need to slow down on this crown before I overdo it. I get geek,
Yeah.
still in these streets.
Yeah.
So when I tweet,
Yeah.
don't get sneak.
No.
I shoot a chopper with no scope, cause I take aim. Fire at a hoe, I make that metal touch his brain. Ha, I just lied, cause bitch I ain't no shooter. I send one of my niggas, afterwards I watch the bloopers. Now see I ain't no snitch, won't say they names, but they my troopers. Now me, I ain't gang, but see my mama, she bang Hoover.
Girl.
Met this trick in the lobby, he gon' ice my wrist. Pop a molly, I get naughty, come and give me a kiss. A lot of weak bitches out here wanna test my fist. Might be pretty like Rihanna, but I swing like Chris. Ball like Curry in the fourth quarter. Hellish with my ways, I am my daddy daughter. Pussy nigga mad, cause I won't take his offer. Always keep a knife, I might have to pull a slaughter. The problem might be that they don't like me. My life is like a movie directed by Spike Lee. Rich before 21, I did it with no degree. Hardest to ever come out the sippin' Tennessee, bitch.
Roll another blunt.